Now on that corner of the lake, you're gonna be able to see a road that goes like this, and then it goes like this, and then it comes with this one.
Yeah, I see.
Okay? And then we can use the lake also as a reference. So that's the square here, okay? I want you to go a little bit more to the right, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the strut here, half as the reference. So I tell you what, I have flight controls for a second.
Okay, you have flight controls.
Let me show you this one first.
Okay.
And then what to do it. So that road, we're just going a little bit to the right until we're about half mile to that reference point. So I'm gonna use that road as the reference. If you got the right power setting and pitch, airplane flies nice and easy. So half of our wing strut, we're right on that, that's the distance we should keep from the airport if we're landing on the traffic pattern. Okay? Now, if there is winds and you start getting away, means wind's coming from the left, then you have to compensate for that. Today the wind is very calm, so it's going to be easy to do this. Now we're going to use this other road here as the rectangular. So at this point here, I'm just turning, so I maintain that same distance for that road. And once I finish my turn, then I have to think about the winds. And actually it looks like we're getting a little bit winds blowing from the north. Why? In order to fly parallel to that road, you see my nose slightly to the right. So we keep going like this. Then I'm going to intercept this other canal here as the reference for my rectangular. So we got a little bit winds blowing from the north at this point here. And the important thing is so you can learn to remain on the same distance to that reference point. That's basically how we're going to be flying on that traffic pattern. And now if you see you're getting close, just turn a little bit to the right and compensate for the winds. But wind is kind of calm. Alright, you can have flight controls.
Okay.
And tell you what, use this, can you see this road here?
Yes.
Use this one to fly on that rectangular.
Master traffic, anybody using the fields by Tully?
Now give a little bit more space. We're a little bit too close to that road.
Perfect.
Why? Because you started that turn a little bit early, okay?
Okay.
So just
I see.
A little bit more to the right. And that's the purpose of this maneuver, just so you can see this, you know? Just so you can see how much you should turn when you're flying a low altitude.
Factory Red Tail Skyhawk holding 5,700 at Uyghur. Dispatch area, red, white, blue Skyhawk will be at the fields near Tully. Ground reference, back.
This one you started a little too early as well. Keep going a little bit more. Why? Remember we want to have that road, half of that wind.
306, we're actually over the water here about 5 miles east of Matthew, and we're doing some maneuvering with one engine inoperative over here. Matthew Baxter, light and red-tailed Seminole. It's about 3 miles to the south of New Smyrna, 2,100 westbound, setting up for the RNF 7 for New Smyrna, Mass.
Got better. Oh. Still a little
There you go. A lot better. It's still a little bit close.
Yeah.
And why? The wind's blowing you a little bit from the north, so I'll go compensate a little bit more to the right. Very good.
Down here, right?
You can use that one, yeah?
Okay. This is our road here. It lines up there.
Alright, sounds good.
Still a little close, right?
Oh, that's normal. That's normal. You know, just wait a little bit longer before you turn.
173 northwestern corner, Lake Apopka 1500, headed back eastbound into X-ray 04. Final call, Lake Apopka. Match back there, Red Hill, Red, White, Blue Skyhawk is using the water tank pulley, 8 on pylon, thank you.
To feel your clothes, just shallow the bank a little bit. This
Okay.
way you get a little bit further. There you go. Very good. Alright, now just keep going on this heading a little bit longer, and we're gonna do the same but on right turns.
Okay. So we're gonna turn right here?
Yeah, just go a little bit more, and then I tell you what, once we're over the lake, make a right turn like this, and then we'll enter from the other side. Yeah. Raise the right wing. Right side is clear. There you go. Keep turning a little bit more.
I thought we were gonna go here, sorry.
Oh, you want to use? Yeah, we can use this one then.
Okay.
That's fine.